Hey, so I started looking into something called the Corewar. It's a programming game. Basically, you have like that virtual machine and lots of programs in it, and the goal is to kill the other programs. And I think it's cool. Well, it is cool. It's really amazing. But the thing is, it's old, like real old. And you can't really find any virtual machine besides the PMOS one. I think it's called PMOS. Yeah, PMOS. Um, I still want to play it, but there was no VM available. So I was like, hey, it's quite simple, just a simple C program. So why wouldn't I be able to make mine? And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start working into the core wall. And given that, well, I have a YouTube channel now, and I'd like to, well, just talk about programming in general and get new people in the amazing world that programming is. Um, I thought that it would be a good idea to just develop it and every week or every 2 weeks make a development video about what I did and why I did it, why there are better alternatives, why I didn't do that exact thing. I just find it interesting. So that's what I'm going to do. It's an ancient project, as you can see, 1984. That's all. The thing is, even though I'm saying it's quite simple, it's actually complex. We're talking about a virtual computer. That thing is a computer running inside an actual computer. It's complicated. It's not just something an average programmer can do, even though actually any programmer can do it. We'll see why later. Um, so yeah, that's what I want to do. Um, as for the GitHub projects, I don't know. I'll probably create a repository so that you can access it. But really, no, it's not going to get that big. Probably nobody is watching my channel. It's mainly for entertainment purposes, but still. So wait, what? 3-D. You know what? Just cd into documents. I have two projects. The Xbox and Unix lib. I have other projects, yes, but they're old. I'm not working on them anymore, and I probably won't again. Those are my two current projects. I plan to integrate them into the Corewar game I'll be making. Firstly, for the Unix lib project, as you probably know, if you're using this library, I created the Unixlib library out of boredom. Basically, the Hacktoberfest thing on GitHub started, and I was like, well, let's make a project. So I created a libc replacement for Unix systems. I think it only works on Linux though. I'm not sure. Still, um, it's quite good. Well, pretty much every useful feature of the libc is in here. I made my own functions, though it's not using any buffer for the input and output, it's reading directly using system calls. Um, Wait, let me get that function. It prints a character to the standard output, and as you can see, it's using the write syscall. Yep, it's using that syscall, and I will use it. I find it, I find it useful, interesting, and I spend a lot of time on it. It would be a shame not to use it. And then the second project I'm working on is the Xbox. The Xbox is an operating system for x86 platforms, but I won't say any of that again. I mean, you can read the readme.md file. What I wanted with the Xbox was to make it a virtualization operating system. Basically, you've got the operating system and lots of little virtual machines running on it, and each virtual machine is actually a program. So, I'm thinking about making the Xbox version that like gets the Corewar game on it. I'm not sure because I mean the Xbox already features virtual machines, so yeah, shouldn't be that hard. But as for the useful part, it's not really useful to do so. So yeah, we'll see later. For now, I'll just focus on well doing the actual project. So, for those of you who don't know what the Corewar game is, basically you've got programs called champions, and they have to get control of the memory in the virtual machine by using instructions, mainly MOV. Well, it's the most known, well-known x86 instruction. Um, so let's just look at it. Yep. That is the memory, and as you can see, different colors mean different players. One of the players, oh, the game hasn't started yet. Basically, every cycle and instruction in each program is processed, and the goal is to overwrite the other programs in memory so that they can't replicate themselves, and they can't call a specific instruction called live if after some time the live instruction isn't called. The program just considers, well, the game considers the program is dead. So the goal is to kill the other programs by writing on them. It's like putting lots of different fishes in a fish tank and watching them kill each other. So that guy, he's really good. He made like a 3D interface. I'm not going to do that. Um, Maybe you've seen my Game of Life project. Um, Let me just clone it so that you can see what it is about. It's using ncursive, so I think it's pretty decent. It's working properly and like it looks good. So I'll probably use ncursive again. I know how to use it too, but maybe I'll try looking into bidimensional graphics, even though I'm not good with that at all. But it might be interesting to look at. So as you can see, well, games can last really long time. In our case, a player 2, wow, wow, great. We don't care. So yeah, starting today maybe, I'll start posting videos about the Corewar game and how it works, and maybe start working on it.